Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique pebble home decoration ideas. Different pebble or oral door mini frame decoration designs. It is very beautiful, unique, and stylish pebble home decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. You can make easily at home for different beautiful stone painting designs, different stones art, paper art, stone and painting art. It's very beautiful and unique decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget in my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.